how to create a spiral design in Photoshop, PC or Mac. A little bit of a setup first. Go to View and then down to Guides and then New Guide Layout. In this you can set number of columns and rows. I'm going to go with 40 and 40. You could go with 60 or 60, etc. And click OK. These guides, you can use them to snap your points to. The tool I'm going to be using, the pen tool. Pen tool's probably the easiest one. So pen tool, then go up here and set it to shape. With shape, what you need to do is set the fill to nothing. Click here and now set the stroke to something like black. And now click the document. I'm going to start here. So first point, just click here and you can see you've got a point there. And then you can go over here and you can create all kinds of spiral designs just by changing these distances. So I'm just going to start here, click here. And then I'm going to go down here. It's going to be approximately a square-like design. I'm going to convert it later into a curved design. So with this, go down here. Now at this point, you can see I'm aligned there, but I'm just going to stop there, just one off. So click there. Now I can go up here and I can repeat this, just going around and there. And you can see as I do it, each time I'm just adding another point further inwards to create this square spiral at this point. Okay, I've got this design now. What I can now do is go to the curvature tool. You can find that in the tools panel. So here's the curvature pen tool. Select that and then go over here and this one. What you need to do is double click. And now you've got this lovely curve. And again, you can go down to this one down the bottom, double click again, and you've got this curve here. And double click, and you can repeat this. Double click and continue. Once you get close to the center, you notice it breaks down. So the spiral is generally this part. Here, it doesn't look so good. So what you need to do is just go here, hover and select and delete. And again, delete it and delete it. And now you've got your spiral design. Now this is currently a shape, vector shape that you can then manipulate. You don't need the guides anymore. To remove those, go to View and down to Guides and Clear Guides. Hope you're finding this tutorial of interest. Like or dislike, always appreciated. Also, please subscribe to the channel. Always adding new videos about Photoshop all the time. Let's just go up here to the stroke and click here and then increase the size. So you can see now you got your spiral design. Unfortunately, in Photoshop, you can't expand this shape into a filled shape. What you can do is you can rasterize it so it becomes a layer. So layer and then down here to rasterize and all layers. You've now got your wonderful spiral design which you can use throughout Photoshop. If you want to change the color, just go down here to Effects, click here and then go down here to Color Overlay and set it maybe to red or green and click OK. Or maybe add a gradient overlay instead. If you want to store it for future use, go to Window and Libraries, go down to the bottom plus, click here and Graphic. And there it is for future use.